So these are the things that we need: Arduino Uno board, USB cable, button with its cap, 10 kilo ohm resistor, connecting wires or jumper wires, and breadboard. So let's start with implementing the lesson 1. And let's put on the button here, as you can see. Okay, I've put it in the middle. Okay, next one is the resistor. Let's put the resistor at this end. So there are 2 wires here, so let's put it here and connect it to the ground. Okay, it's now attached. So let's attach the black wire. Ground is here. There's also ground on the top. So ground connector here, and then 5 volts. 5 volts here. I use red wire for the 5 volts. Let's connect it to the other end of the button. And then this goes for the pin number 12, since that will be the assigned pin number for the button communication. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12. Let's put it on top of the feet before the resistor connects. Okay, this is the connection, by the way. Connection here. And then let's upload some code here. Attach this here, and let's try to upload some code. Uploaded the code already. Once we press the button, it should light up the built-in LED in pin number 13. So let's try. Okay, can you see it? Okay. So pressed, not pressed. Okay, that's it.